Okay, welcome to Camp 4, guys. Coyote in the campsite. We're a bit unsure whether we're meant to try and scare him off. Well, you meant to scare him off, but you also can't approach him, and he's not really that bothered about us from this distance. I mean, he looks like a wolf to me, mate. Come on. Look at my ears sticking out. Boom. We're climbing some sort of trail today.
We are switchbacks for days. I don't even understand how we're supposed to get up that.
It's like right here, and we're going up this one here.
Apparently we're supposed to be able to get up that.
And get up that within, what's the route?
6 hours, 2,000 foot elevation.
Yeah.
It's pretty much the last
2,000 foot over.
It's pretty much the last log of the Grand Canyon, isn't it?
Yeah, again. Yeah. It's almost exactly the same, and that was tough.
It was tough. My calves haven't even recovered from that yet.
Here we go again, team.
The cooking fire, and we banked the fire. Actually, we just mounded the coals because everything was burnt, and then gave a little scoop today, put a bit of twigs on it, and off we go again. This morning's hike brought to you by SAUL from Yosemite National Park, at the base of the Upper Falls Trail. Wondering how much of a graft this is going to be today.
Getting flashbacks to the Grand Canyon.
We walked out of snow, uphill, into...
We walked out of hard ice.
Hard ice, yeah. And now it's flipping sweltering. It's the only way I can describe it. Should have wore the shorts. You know how often I wear shorts? This is like
the one time you didn't wear shorts.
3 out of 300 days where I'm not wearing shorts, and it's always a mistake. It's always a mistake not wearing shorts. Rookie error. I think I can safely say this is the most amazing waterfall I've ever seen. It's falling off the top as water. It's so cold that it's like falling as snow and collecting the bottom as snow. What? This here, just in case you didn't realise what we were looking at. Mate. I reckon we're nearly there. Another hour maybe. We're thinking it's straight up here. This is what they call knee-deep snow. An example of how deep this snow is. There's knees here, snow. We are still going into the snowy mountain territory. Hard work, probably not quite as hard as the Grand Canyon was the other day, but difficult nonetheless. We bumped into some people that said the trail gets pretty hairy, or at least hard to follow up above, but we're about 15 minutes out. Neck, come on. Woof. Here we go. Made it to the top, buddy. Alright, we're heading down to the actual falls. Let's do it. Standing up, not for very long.
To the beach.
Alright guys, yeah, just chilling at the beach. You knew we were in LA, just hanging out the beach. It's a bit of a different type of beach, a snowy beach. Beach nonetheless. It's all the same really, isn't it? This is chilling out. We've got an emergency blanket keeping us warm. There's about a few foot of snow. All Hardman's here. It's a bit cold, yeah. I mean, it's cold. We've got Stanley over here doing his job as per usual. So my rehydration thing needs 540 millilitres, and we share the litre. This guy, each 50-50. So I'm missing about 40 millilitres.
I'm missing 100 on mine.
Take a leaf out of our ranger friend. What was his name? Steve. Bryce Canyon. We went snowshoeing with.
Oh yeah. What about, are you going to whack a bit of water in?
Back a bit of snow in, so we're just digging down here. You want to dig down to the fresh snow on that yellow stuff. Bit of the snow. 50 mil, about Jamie's measure. Wash him in. There you go. Stanley's ready. He'll boil quicker, won't he? Paul's got his favourite rehydrated food. Thai curry. I'm on the pad thai, cheeky pad thai today. This stuff. Backpacker's pantry. Chef, your adventure. Yes. Hashtag Instagram the rehydratable. Right, it's just started to snow, so we are getting out of here. We were leaving anyway, but it's now started to snow on top of a mountain. Probably not the best place to be. Snow's coming a little earlier than it said it was going to, so it's time to get on out of here. It's got to make it back up all that snowy stuff we came down. I mean, the bonus is there's a thing to hold on them there. There's not actually when you get further up, so if you're watching this video, I've probably made it. Sweet. Oh, look at that, easy mate, it's like a job in the town. It's like a job in the town. This way. I made it through the sketchiest bit, back up a little bit from the lookout, but we still got another 3.5 miles to go. This is really nice now, so quiet in these woods. Here he comes, SAUL Hardman. Look at this, it's so snowy. That's flipping huge, deep snow here, and yet there's all this up to here. Flipping heck, it's in my waist. Let alone knee deep, it's waist deep snow. The camera can't really see it, it's so green. We're about halfway back down at the end of the snowy bit. That's just how he falls. Pretty sweet deal. Onwards. Boom. We just returned from our final hike. Please focus on me, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's not working, mate, come on.
I was gonna purposely make...
We made it to our, what is it, last night camping.
Yeah.
This is SAUL Hardman here.
Day 22.
We are around our camp. Oh man, my eyes.
Very smoking, stonking.
Top 3 from the trip: Angel's Landing, Guadalupe Peak, Devil's Garden.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Concur.
I did quite enjoy Great Sand Dunes as well.
Yeah. Just because sand.
And, yeah. Snow and sand. But no, I would say, yeah.
Yosemite's got more to offer. Definitely you should come back and do the half dome.
Yeah, half dome. It'd be good to do
The full peak.
Eagle Point, the full peak, Glacier Point.
Lots more to offer.
It'd be cool to go back to the Joshua Tree and do the Boy Scout Trail.
Boy Scout Trail, Joshua
Yeah,
Tree.
Cool. And the southern rim at Big Bend.
Yep.
Yeah, cool. And then a
Just-
full south and north rim at Grand Canyon as well.
Yep. And just spend like months in Zion.
Yeah.
Just soak up Zion. Springdale.
Yeah, Springdale. Springdale was cool, man. think I've just permanently damaged my leg from how hot the weather is.
But that's it for national parks for now.
Yeah.
On to San Francisco tomorrow.
I'm looking forward to it.
Shout out to B Ashman putting us up.
Definitely.
Boom. Pretty good job on the fire.